In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Brevo support. If you ever run into an issue with your Brevo account, or you simply have a question you can't answer from the help articles, it's important to know exactly how to reach their support team. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the built-in support option directly inside your Brevo dashboard, so you can send a clear, detailed request and get help as quickly as possible. First, sign into your Brevo account using your usual login details. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the very top right corner of the screen. There, you should see a small question mark icon. This is the entry point to the Help Center. Go ahead and click on that question mark. After you click it, you'll be taken to the Help Center area. Here, you'll see various resources, but what we care about is accessing your support options. Look again toward the top right of this Help Center page. You should see your account name displayed there. Click on your name to open a small drop-down menu. In this drop-down, select the option called My Requests. This section is where Brevo organizes all of your support communications. Once you're in the My Requests view, you'll see an area labeled Get in Touch with Our Support Team, along with a button on the right side that says Contact Your Support Team. Click that button to start creating a new support request. Now you'll be taken to a form where you can submit your issue. Begin by choosing or confirming your organization, if that field is available. This helps support identify the correct account. Next, enter a clear, concise subject line. Think of this like the subject of an email. Summarize your issue in a few words, so the support agent immediately understands what your request is about. Below the subject, you'll find the description field. Here is where you should describe your problem or question in detail. Include what you were trying to do, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened instead. If you saw any error messages, it helps to copy the exact text. The more specific you are, the easier it is for the support team to assist you. If you have relevant screenshots, a short video, or any other helpful files, you can attach them using the File Attachment option in the form. Visuals often speed up troubleshooting. Once you've filled in all the details and added any attachments, look to the bottom right of the form and click the Submit button. Your request will be sent to Brevo support, and you'll be able to track its status from the My Requests section whenever you need an update.